Hey everybody, welcome back to PooLin's channel. In this video, I will show you how to install your bobbin correctly. So as you can see, this is my PooLin EOC05 Embroidery machine and some pre-worn style A plastic bobbins. Now we have got the right bobbin. Let's go over how to install it in the EOC05. First, gently slide the bobbin case latch to the right to open the bobbin cover and set the cover aside. Then make sure the thread comes off counterclockwise for good tension. Next, drop the bobbin into the case with the thread tail coming off in a counterclockwise direction. Then follow the arrows and guide the thread around the bobbin. Make sure you are going in the right direction, just like the arrows show. If the thread isn't threaded through the groove the right way, it can cause tension issues. Give the thread a gentle pull to make sure it moves smoothly. Then go ahead and trim off the extra thread. Finally, snap the cover on, listen for that click, and you are good to go. That's it, easy right? Remember to use style A plastic bobbins with rims. We recommend Richwood pre-worn style A plastic bobbins. Avoid other types of materials. If you find this video helpful, please like and follow. See you next time!